Start.
Dear Zoo, why can I read? I wrote to the zoo to send me a pet. So they sent me an elephant. He was too big. I sent him back. So they sent me a giraffe. He was too tall. I sent him back. So they sent me a lion. He was too fierce. I sent him back. So they sent me a camel. He was too grumpy. I sent him back. So they sent me a frog. He was too jumpy. I sent him back. So they sent me a monkey. He was too naughty. I sent him back. So they sent me a snake. He was too scary. I sent him back. So they thought very hard and sent me a puppy. She was perfect. I kept her. The end.
So how is your puppy?
Cute.